moment you step inside, everything feels quiet. This is South Tampa, but it doesn't feel like anywhere you've been in South Tampa. Oxford Homes built this from the ground up in 2025, and what they understand better than any other builder is that luxury isn't a finish, it's a feeling. This kitchen isn't decorated, it's intentional. Marble countertops, Thermador appliances, pot filler, double ovens. It's a functional, beautiful kitchen that you'll never want to leave. This is 4614 Tennyson Avenue. 6 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, 3-car garage, just under 6,000 square feet. If this is the standard you're looking for, let's talk.